Hello, today I'm going to take you on a walking tour of the Suffolk Show. It's obviously not going to be anything there for goths, but there might be some weight loss products I can show you. So here I am, I just arrived at the Suffolk Show. Lots of different directions to go walking in. We're going to start by going that way, I think. So this looks to be a food hall, and there's some talks going on about cooking, so let's go and have a look in here.
Really bad, yeah, I know. Lemonade, cream soda, great, just love ice cream.
So that was aisle one of the food hall. Quite a lot of pies, cakes, loads of different chutneys, jams, alcoholic drinks. So here they're getting ready to give a talk about cookery. So now I'm going to go up aisle two of the food hall, see what's up there. These look like they could be healthy, munchy seeds. Apple juice. Healthy brownies. They claim to be skinny slabs. Maybe try one of these. Terry's chocolate orange one. Yeah. These are all low-calorie brownies. They're all under 150 calories each. I am so excited. Which one am I going to have? They're called skinny slabs. You can find them on Instagram, on the web, and there's also an email address. I'm going to try salted caramel, which is only 108 calories. How can you believe it? This one looks and smells really nice. Freshly squeezed lemonade. Yummy. Frozen yogurt. I think I might try one of these. Well, that was the food hall. I purchased some skinny slabs and some frozen yogurt. I'm going to take some of the slabs home because I'm going to also order from them later because I can't believe it. And now we're going to go and have a walk down here. There's lots of people here showing off their prize animals. Sheep centre over there. If we get time, we might go and have a look at the sheep. This lovely horse has won an award. She likes to stray. Says I ain't going to touch it if you've got nothing to eat. Yeah.
And that Mum's sausage one.
Very preoccupied with the flapjack.
I
know. So we just walked down the first aisle. Seems like it's going to start raining in a minute now. So we're going to go and walk up the next one now, this one.
Make a snow-like consistency, so it's just like snow.
Some marquees here with some interesting bits in. Getting a bit windy now as well. Let's go and have a look.
Do you want to look at the ponies, mate? That's not the one that we touched
This is a
It's just started pouring down with rain, so I'm going to look in this place here, which is like a craft fair area.
Passion fruit puree.
I've actually found something goth at the Suffolk Show. Look at its top. So lovely. So here's another aisle of stalls. Let's go and see if there's anything interesting down there. This bit's called Lifestyle Avenue. There's quite a lot of bits down here. Let's go and have a look. And another path to walk down. Let's go and see what's down here. It's getting really busy here now. There's another craft tent here. So here's a food area. It's amazing how much homemade gin there is in all these stalls. I reckon that gin must be really easy to make, because I've come across at least 20 artisan gin stalls while I've been here. Absolutely manic here. There's people eating, lots of different stalls, selling all different foods. This is my husband's favourite food, garlic bread. There's a garlic bread stall with a great big long queue. Then just as the heavens open again, I'm going to have a hot apple crumble. Another row of stalls to look down.
High alpha roll, the airplane corkscrews around its axis as we go back towards the runway.
I'm just going to have my favourite drink and then I'm going to have a look up there. Here we are, Sheep Centre. Let's see if what we've got in here. Sheep, I would have thought.
Decent, that. Pretty decent. Come on, George, you can do it. Oh, is that believable? Give that man a big old round of applause. But I just need to.
Years ago, when we used to come, we used to go right in the like up the stable.
Honestly, I was amazed one day.
So steaks, we're very precious about well done steaks, but if you roast the joint at home,
So here I am back in lovely Lowestoft. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's invaluable to me and it will encourage me to carry on making more content. Also, please follow me on Instagram. It's jenny.lifestyle77. Thank you.